Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Remax up in Big Bear. Today I am over at 767 Pine Knot Avenue, right up above the village and walking distance to the National Forest too, so come check it out. Okay, so here we are, 767 Pine Knot Avenue. This one is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, and it's got a loft to it as well. So property line, boom. And it does say no parking anytime right here. And that is because you are right up above the village. So right here is Shirt Shanty. This is the vacant lot where they do the Christmas tree lighting. So great location. They actually have concerts right here. So the stage obviously faces that way, but it's still a great location. And then up at the top of the street, if you turn left, you can hook around and go to 2 and 10. If you hook right, you can go left on Cherry Lane, and that's going to get you to the old ski slopes, which is also a great hike. So less than a half mile from here, I would say. Beautiful. So this one is fully fenced as well. Nice big high fence too. And it was originally built in 1940. So it's been taken very good care of. I don't feel a 1940 vibe inside. So a couple things to note. This is not a 1940 foundation. This, if it was 1940, it would have been like kind of like more of that. So somewhere along the lines, they have updated this. And then they have new posts underneath the deck over here too. So you got this nice rock entryway. Nice privacy between the neighbors too. So for rental, it would do very well just because of the proximity to the village and how cute it is. I mean, these are laminate hardwood floors, and you've got, look at that beautiful fireplace. I love how they've decorated it too. So one thing to note is that is dual pane windows right there, which is also not a 1940s feature. Pretty level flooring too. Like I would have expected maybe it to not be so flat and solid. But it seems really good. You've got this beautiful brick fireplace. Interesting, they have the gas shutoff valve in there, so you can somehow start. I wonder if they have a gas starter coming in here. No, they don't. That's probably old and abandoned would be my guess, because this just takes place of that. They put the insert in here, and had they needed that turn on, it would have been a pipe coming in. So who knows, but very great condition. And this maybe looks like maybe an old wall heater was there at one point in time, but it does have central heating now. So I'm gonna go through, let's go through the kitchen first. So we've got Formica countertops. It's staged a little bit, obviously. But nice clean cabinets, you know. Good space in here. Water heater. Ugh. I don't know, but I want to know. what's in there. It's painted shut. Full-size fridge, tile floors. Just super clean, easy kitchen. And then going into the hallway, we've got the first 1 bedroom. It does have a closet. It's kind of like a gray color, gray-blue color, tan, or gray-blue color carpet. And then second closet, more of like a walk-in. Another thing to note, I think you probably put your bed there or probably up against here, queen bed. I think if you went over to this wall, you could definitely get a king if you wanted to. Let's just pray real quick that that is connected. So, dear God, I hope this is connected. Looks like it. So, just like a little lofty area, unfinished space right here. Extra space. Probably not gonna be any good for rentals, but you would be able to use it yourself. And what I love about these 1940s handles, tile, and then has that Bobby Soxer vibe in here with the black and the white. Edison bulbs. Cute. And then I like that they put this outside, this greenery, just so I was wondering what it was for, but it's to cover up the bathroom, so it makes sense. And then we've got the shower, pretty deep. Walk in, full shower. And then going out, back to a closet. And then I'm going to now take you back to this other spot back here. So first off, that is for the other property, that shed right there. So it's interesting that it has a door coming into this side. Maybe at one point they shared it. These are nice little stepping stones here. We do have a newer roof on it. Seems like everything's been like very well taken care of. And they have this gigantic RV back here because you do have access from both sides. So this is just basically a dead-end street right here. Actually more of like an alleyway. And access to the garage as well. But kind of cool because you could also build a fence right about where that big tree is around the back of the house. Use this if you ever come up, and then your guests in the front would just like never know that you were here and that you were the owner. They would just think they had something in the backyard. So definitely an idea. I think the garage may not want to open. Yep. Okay. So we got some stuff in here, but one thing to note, the floors are redone in here. It's not drywalled off, but I really like the floors in here. I mean, they did a good job with it. You can feel some quality in it. They do have just the one garage door, but you could easily get 2 cars in here. And then while I can't access it because of this, there is like a lofted area up top. So loads of opportunity in this one over at 767 Pine Knot. Just, I mean, first and foremost is that the location is awesome. So, got a great vibe back here. Would do very well for rental. Basketball court. So if it were me and I had an RV, I would do just some sort of property line here. But then you do have to think about the parking on it, because remember, we cannot park in the front. So you could also split it and give the garage to these people, or parking behind the garage, and just section this area off as well. So I don't know, just different ideas. But there you have it, Pine Knot. And then I was gonna see if there was almost feels like you could get a lake view through there, but I do not see one. So that is it for Pine Knot. $499.9, 1 bed, 1 bath, 628 square foot with a 1-car garage. Talk to you later. Bye.